Oh my days, the sun is crazy. All right guys, back with another video. Today we are about to go back to Poripori, but this time with the YWAM family, and we about to get Sandy. Hopefully I see somebody flop. That would be pretty funny. And yeah, so let's get it into the video. And like I said last video, you guys need to turn on your notifications so you are notified when I post a video. Alright guys, stay tuned.
Okay, gather here.
Alright, so
give me in that shot.
Yeah.
Give me
That boy thirsty for a shout out.
Your boy thirsty.
But anyway, we out here.
That's just Reese for you, man.
That's the waterfall. I found it.
About to get there. Across the water.
You're listening to Redneck.
What did you just do? Oh, mad hell, bro.
I hope
Pause and chill out for 4 seconds.
I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks for tuning in. I'm sorry the video is a little short. I hope you guys like how Jack just played himself. Alright, but we're about to get back in the van and head back to base. Hopefully Jack is okay.